When the morning came, it didn't bring peace, just gray skies and questions. I searched the property again, this time with more purpose. That old barn I had seen, the one with the rusted lock. I was going in. I found a crowbar leaning near the side of the house, half buried in soil. It felt too convenient, but I picked it up anyway, the metal cold in my hands. The lock on the barn didn't fight me. It surrendered with a screech. Inside, the smell hit first. Damp wood, mildew, and something older, like burned dust. I stepped in. The air was thick. Still, there was junk, broken furniture, an old dresser, shelves lined with cloudy jars no one had touched in decades.